Door shuts hard, world cuts out. Your name slips from my mouth. We only meet when nobody's home. That's how we keep this under control. Jacket still on, breath still fast. This ain't about the future or the past. We don't smile, we don't play. We just lean in the dangerous way. Don't say stop, say it slow. Say my name, then let it go. Let the animals out. Don't pretend we don't need love. We just need this to end. Let the animals out. No sound now. If the walls hear us, they won't tell. Mirror won't hold. What do we do? So I turn it away from you. Handshake, but they don't quit. This ain't a romance, don't call it that. Outside, they think we're clean. Inside, it's something mean. We dress it up when we step out, but this is what comes. We step, I'd be wrong. Temper slips, don't ask why. Just don't miss. Let the animals out. Real slow. This ain't the kind you ever show. Let the animals out. Nothing behind. Saint up in. Take it to the grave. Phone face down, curtains tight. We don't need another lie. Every sound feels 10 feet loud, like the truth might come around. You say my name like it's a sin, like you don't wanna let it in. But your hands don't hesitate. They never wait. They never wait. We should stop, but we won't. We both know what we want. Let the animals out. Ease it down. We act decent all over town. Let the animals out. Lock it tight. Come on in light. We're back in line. Don't close your eyes. Stay right here. You feel that? Yeah. That's what we don't talk about. Slow. Yeah. Don't stop. Let the animals out. One last time. We'll wash our hands. Cross the line. Let the animals out. Dress it up. By daylight, we're good enough. Sun coming up, same disguise. but it's still living in your eyes.